Hey everybody, in this video I'm playing around with a new camera mount, and I'm going to make a key to this mortise cylinder. It's a brand new cylinder that the package got crushed and the keys are gone. So I'm going to just cut a key for it real quick here. We're going to just pick and decode it using the SC1 Lishi. So try to keep it in frame here. Alright, 1 binding. Okay, sorry guys, 1 springy. 2 binding. Click on 2, 3 springy, 4 springy, 5 springy, 1 springy, 2 still binding, so hit it again, and click on 2, 3, 4 is binding, click on 4, 5, 1 binding, click on 1, 2 springy, 3 is binding, nice, click on 3, okay, 4 springy, 5 binding, click on 5, and we are open. Now we'll go and see if we can actually decode it here. I'm going to use the Blitz machine to cut a key. Alright, so we're going to have 4, 5, 3, 8, and 1. So 4, 5, 3, 8, 1. Set the Lishi down here. Okay, 4, 5, 3, 8, 1. Just repeating here if I don't forget it. Loading up a SC1 key blank in the Blitz machine. And we'll go ahead and we will cut a key real quick here. So 4, 5, 3, 8, 1. Alright. 4, 5, 3, 8, and 1. Alright, go ahead and deburr it here. And moment of truth. And it works perfectly. So there we go. Got lock picked and decoded here using the Lishi tool, and use the HPC Blitz machine to cut a key. And questions, comments, put them in the comments. Try to answer just about everything. And guess until next time, I'll talk to everybody later.